Equivalent expressions, part 2. I can identify equivalent expressions. Consider the expression 4x plus 8 in 4 times the sum of x plus 2. Complete the table for each value of x. So we're going to substitute for x. We're going to put 0 in for x. So we're going to go, pencil. So we're going to go 4, put the 0 in for x, plus 8, and solve. So 4 times 0 is 0, plus 8 is 8. We're going to do the same thing for 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Now for 2, so 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And for 3, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 8 is 20. So now we're going to go over to the other side. We're going to put 0 in for x, parentheses first, 4 times 2 is 8. Parentheses first, 4 times 3 is 12. $16, and then final one, 3 plus 2. Okay, what do you notice about the values in the table? They are all the same, so these expressions are equivalent. So our first value, we're going to plot them for the first and the second graph is 0, 8, then 112, 216, and 420. Now, if I do the second graph, they are also the same. So how can I tell on a graph that they are equivalent? The graphs are the same. That's how we know that they're equivalent. When I graph them, the line falls on the same points. Rewrite the expression using distributive properties. So if you remember, we did distributive property 2 ways. We used the rainbow method that we've kind of called it. 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 2 is 8. The other way to do it is by doing an area model where we have 4 and then the x and the 2. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. They are positive. We can put them together. So it's 4x plus 8. So are the two expressions equivalent? Does 4 times the quantity x plus 2 equal 4x plus 8? And yes, it is. And we know that because we can distribute or we can factor. So we could factor to go back and forth between each form. The other way I can tell is by plugging a number in for the x's. So I can do that here. Let's just do 0 because 0 is easy. So that's 8 on this side. And also 8 on this side. 8 does equal 8, so these two expressions are equivalent. Select all expressions that are equivalent to y plus y plus y plus 8. So we need to go through and determine which expressions are equivalent to that. Is 11y equal to y plus y plus y plus 8? 11y is actually 11 y's added together. So are those expressions equivalent? No, they're not, because this is not 11 y's added together. 3y plus 8, so if we were to expand this, this would be y plus y plus y plus 8. So are these equivalent? Yes, B is equivalent. Y to the third plus 8. So what does it mean for y to the third? Same thing that it means for numbers. Y times y times y, and then plus 8. So this has multiplication signs, and this has addition signs, so those are not equivalent. 3y plus 8y, that would actually be 11 y's all added together, and so on. So D is not equivalent either. Here I have 2y, so y plus 8 plus y. So that looks like there are 3 y's to me in an 8, so that is equivalent. And here I have 2y plus 5y, which is 7y plus 1, and that is not equivalent to that either. So my answer is B and E. Okay, you try it.